Grumpod Wolf, at your service. Dragon! As the children of Israel wandered in the wilderness for 40 years, they were miraculously sustained day by day with manna from heaven. The first few days and weeks, perhaps even the first few months, some of them would have been amazed at this heavenly provision. But as the months and years dragged on, there would have been a greater and greater tendency to write it off as a coincidence. Just a normal fact of life. But for anyone thinking that, they were about to get a reminder of how very miraculous it was. Joshua 5:10. The children of Israel encamped in Gilgal and kept the Passover on the 14th day of the month at even in the plains of Jericho. And they did eat of the old corn of the land on the morrow after the Passover, unleavened cakes and parched corn in the selfsame day. And the manna ceased on the morrow after they had eaten of the old corn of the land. Neither had the children of Israel manna any more, but they did eat of the fruit of the land of Canaan that year. Exactly one day after the children of Israel crossed over into the land and began to eat the produce in the fields of the land, the manna stopped. If it had continued, it could perhaps have been written off as a coincidence. But the fact that it lasted exactly as long as it needed to and then stopped when it was no longer needed was another reminder that it was divinely appointed and heaven sent. Do learn that sometimes God reminds us of His goodness by what He gives, but sometimes He even reminds us of His goodness by what He ceases to give.